When we want to execute some statements repeatedly in the program, we are using loops. There are three types of loops: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Do while loop. In this loop, we have an entry point and we have exit point. Initially, I is equal to 0, and we can enter the loop directly without checking any condition. What is the first statement in the loop? First statement is cout I. We are printing the value of I. Value of I is 0. 0 will be printed. Then we are incrementing value of I by 1. Now I became 1. After that, we are checking the condition. We are checking the condition at the exit point of the loop, so that this loop is also called as exit control loop. Here condition is I less than 4, I is 1, 1 is less than 4. Condition is true. If the condition is true, we have to continue with the loop. Again we have to print the value of I. I became 1, 1 will be printed. Then value of I will be incremented by 1. I became 2 now. Again we have to check the condition. 2 is less than 4, that is true. Again we have to continue with the loop. We are printing the value of I. I is 2. 2 will be printed. Then we are incrementing value of I. I became 3 now. After that, we are checking the condition again. 3 is less than 4. That is true. We can continue with the loop. Print the value of I, that is 3. After that, we are incrementing value of I by 1. I became 4. Again we have to check the condition. 4 less than 4. 4 is not less than 4. That is false. Control will come out of the loop. Now we can convert the concept into programming. I is equal to 0. Then we have do while structure. Inside do while structure, we have two statements. First statement is to print value of I, cout I end L. Then we have I plus plus, incrementing value of I by 1. We have the print statement as cout I end L. We are writing end L statement so that all the values of I will be printed in the new lines. We will make some columns. Here we will make 5 columns. Initially value of I is 0. Then we are printing 0. 0 will be printed. Then we are incrementing value of I by 1. I became 1. 1 is less than 4. That is true. The next step, I is 1. We are printing value of I. 1 will be printed. I became 2 now. 2 is less than 4. That is true. The next step, I is 2. We will print value of I, that is 2. Then we will increment value of I by 1. I became 3. 3 is less than 4. That is true. The next step, value of I is 3. We are printing value of I, that is 3. 3 will be printed. Then we are incrementing value of I. I became 4. 4 is not less than 4. That is false. Control will come out of the loop. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.